Welcome to Session 29. Model interpretation and unit rates reward careful reading. Today, we interpret slope and intercept, convert units, cubed volume factors, and solve rate problems. In a linear context, slope is the rate of change with units. The y-intercept is the value when x is 0, often a starting amount or flat fee. For unit conversion, write conversion factors as fractions. Put the unit you want to cancel on the opposite side, then compute after the units cancel. Area conversions, square the length conversion factor. Volume conversions, cube it. 1 foot cubed is 12 cubed cubic inches, or 1728. For distance problems, distance equals rate times time. If two objects move in the same direction, compare their rates to find how fast the gap changes. For work problems, convert times to rates first. Add the rates, then take the reciprocal to find the total time. Your turn. A car travels at 90 kilometers per hour. Pause and convert the speed to meters per second. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, and 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. So 90 times 1,000 divided by 3,600 equals 25 meters per second. Session 29 recap. Slope is a rate with units. Intercept is the value when x equals 0. Conversions work by canceling units. Area scales by k squared, volume by k cubed, and combined work problems add rates.